This one is for everyone who felt like I have lost onto my life. There is no finance, there is no relation, there is some kind of loss, feeling of loss that is coming to you these days. Let's go ahead and deep dive. What is this feeling of loss coming these days? Why? Yes, because you have lost someone or some energies or some situations because they were the addictions in your life, and you lost them. The biggest reason is that only they were supposed to move out so that you can come out of the situation where you felt dependency on these kind of people or situation or whatever this job even was. Even I'm listening that you might have lost your job, you might have been put up to a situation where you're supposed to go out of your job. So whatever those losses were, I'm seeing there was an addiction towards it, and that security, that secure environment is what universe was willing you to come out, because you are supposed to have, you are not supposed to be a 9 to 5 worker. You're not supposed to be in a limited relationship where you were constantly being told what to do, what not to do. You are constantly being controlled, you are constantly being deemed, or your light was dimming every now and then, and that became an obsession. The reason was there was a lack in you. Lack, I felt lost, I felt lonely, I felt like who would take care of my finances. So that lack mindset, that emotion which was your part of a life, and you felt comfortable because this person was giving you back that point, that emotion, maybe financial support, maybe emotional support, whatever this was, the situation was giving you that, and hence you became dependent on them. Universe said that okay, whatever has happened happens for a reason, of course. So if this situation was serving, they were serving some purpose at certain point of time. Now it's a time for you to ascend, to raise your frequency, to go a little higher, to think big, to dream big, and to have this moment in your life which is like a king and a queen. Not just like a king, but be yourself a king or a queen in your life. Start walking like that, have that body posture, start speaking something that is authentic self. Universe is saying that this has happened for a reason. They did serve purpose, they were really good to you, and they were there at the right time. Now because it became an addiction, a dependency patterns, universe is breaking that. Why? Because again, as I said, you are ascending. You are someone who's supposed to be leading the group, not the followers. Take care. Om Namah Shivaya.